Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb hold on and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb hold on is to wait or slow down, often in terms of reassessing a situation. During their road trip, they thought they might have taken a wrong turn. Hold on, I think we should have taken the right turn back there. The presenter is asked to slow down while notes are taken. Sorry, but could you hold on for a moment? I'm just noting some of the points you are making. The friends had a disagreement when one of them found out someone was telling lies about them. Hold on a minute, I never said that. Meaning two of hold on is to endure in a difficult or dangerous situation, or to survive in a sporting matchup. The ambulance got there and saved him after he had a heart attack. He managed to hold on until help arrived. The army needs backup as they are coming under fire. We need units ASAP. I don't know how much longer we can hold on. The underdog team managed to get themselves in front. But for how long? We just need to hold on a little longer. They are winning in the final after coming back from 2 goals down. This will be an amazing achievement. We just need to hold on until the final whistle. So let's summarize. Hold on can mean to wait or slow down, often in terms of reassessing a situation. Hold on, I don't think that plan will work. To endure in a difficult or dangerous situation, or to survive in a sporting matchup. We're nearly at the hospital. Hold on just a little longer. Where did you hear the phrasal verb hold on? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.